The formula you will want to use in this problem is going to be that the area of a sector is equal to pi r squared times theta over 360. So we're just going to plug in what we know to find the area of the sector. So to find the area of the sector, we know pi is just going to stay the constant pi. Our r in this problem is going to be 12 because that's our radius. So we're going to do 12 squared. Theta is going to be the measure of the arc that we're trying to find the area of. So since the central angle is 270, the measure of this arc is also going to be 270. So we're going to put 270 over 360. And then we're just going to simplify this. So the area of the sector would equal 12 squared would be 144. So I'm going to have pi times 144 times 270 over 360. Just leave the pi as it is. And then just go into your calculator. If you have one of these calculators that we've been using in class, it's real easy to do this. But just type 144 times, and then hit the fraction button, 270 over 360. And it should give you 108. So if we just flip the order around a little bit with our multiplication, 108 pi yards squared would be our answer. So your answer choice should have been answer B. You'll follow this exact same process on all the problems 1 through 8. Hope this helped.